So ayan guys, after 2 years, gagawa ulit tayo ng cake. At balik tayo sa ating pag-bake. Ayun po yung gagamitin natin yung mga ingredients. Kompleto na po yan. Yan, so gagawa tayo ng bento cake, dalawa lang. Ito yung mga gagamitin natin. So, namiss ko ito mag-bake. Ayan.
Boss,
So mamaya gagawa tayo ng icing. Ayan. So, po.
ako ang icing.
Ang gawa ka icing? Hindi ka pa marunong gawa ng icing? Turuan kita.
Dati sa mga ina-upload ngayon. Bukas
Excuse me.
na ako.
All new Power Boost. Power and unstoppable boss energy. Prepare for back-to-back weekend meetings with the Boss Baby. Pleasure doing business with you. During the Baby Coke Takeover this weekend on DreamWorks. The Boss Baby. Today's tip, Baby Talk. Scooter, why are we having this conversation? Your job is a no-brainer. You act cute, mommy and daddy give you food and shelter, you doozy, they doozy. How do we move the needle on this one, Bucky? Talk to me.
What did he say?
Assorted things about our mother. Better you don't. Bossing it with the Boss Baby.
No.
DreamWorks Top 5. Today, epic fails. This is big. At number 2,
Hindi ako lang
getting her
nagay.
sword caught in the
Ako na
curtain
kasi
again. It's She-Ra.
kailangan yan i-measure.
Do this. For the honor of grass.
Ayan. So 1 cup.
One year, next thing.
Top 5s. Time to play. It's a
Mabay ka man. Namiss mo na yung cake?
Ilagay mo cake.
Anong 6? Dalawa na.
body. And which
Gusto ko
part of
na
it
makain ng
is
cake.
this? We're running out of time.
Nagawa ka dalawa na cake.
Any idea?
Gawa ka sa isa na baliit. Natapos mo na yung isa pa delivery. At gawa ba iba? Baliit na isa. Idada, baliit na isa. Kain, sabi mo kain.